negosyante, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
This is an affirmation of its commitment to promote and develop that, in spite of the fact that we have not been spared.
A micro-business conglomerate of sorts. The firm is engaged in operating a jump shop, Malihano, the company from Davao del Sur, Region 11. Mr. Benjamin Lau, company owner, is with us to receive their award. Ms. Maria Lidia P. Lomibao, company owner, will receive the firm's award. Region 6. The establishment's president, Mr. Gaidan de la Cruz, will receive the corporation's award. Enterprises. The company is engaged in the manufacture of smart We also wish to Science and Productivity Boards represented today by Director Siriaco Laguna. We congratulate all our awardees and look forward to the even greater success. Another recipient is the Bugdang Lumbang Festival promoted by the Municipal Government of Lumbang, Laguna, represented by Mayor Wilfredo Paraiso. Improving productivity and efficiency. Cited are the Benguet.
Please sound the Gong to mark the ceremonial opening of the 1001 Project Luzon Island Fair. Thank you very much, Madam President, for opening our fair.
Apayao. Where is Camoan? Carp. Carp, Calabarzon. Mga carp beneficiary. Ayun, sarap. Sarap palangka. Parang palangka. Kanina kay mami yan? Ay, bigay sa Albay, Albay. Sorsogon. Yung carb, hawak mo yun. Tita Merly. Ano ba yan? Pero yung... Sir,